The world of the garden is a realm unseen by many. Beneath leafy canopies and amidst creeping vines lies a microcosm teeming with life. Ants marching with purpose, beetles tunneling silently, and grasshoppers leaping like coiled springs. Amidst this bustling underbrush, perched motionless on a tree trunk or sunning itself on a brick wall, the garden lizard reigns as an apex predator in its scale-sized world. Unlike the beasts of the African savanna or the great predators of the deep, the Oriental garden lizard depends not on brute force, but on stillness, a mastery of motionlessness. Its body, textured with rough scales and sharp spines, blends perfectly into bark and stone. A creature sculpted by evolution for both survival and stealth. Scene 2. Camouflage and color. The name Calotes Versicolor speaks of its most enchanting trait. Versicolor, meaning changeable color. And indeed, this lizard can alter its appearance, subtly shifting hues from earthy browns to pale greens, from dull grays to fiery oranges, particularly during the mating season, when a male displays vibrant reds on his head and neck to assert dominance and attract mates. But this isn't magic, it's biology. Underneath its skin lie specialized cells called chromatophores, containing pigments that expand or contract based on mood, temperature, or environment. Unlike a chameleon, whose changes are dramatic and sudden, the garden lizard's transformation is more understated, more tactical. Nature's silent cloak. Scene 3. The eyes that never sleep. Peer into its eyes, and you'll find not confusion nor emotion, but pure, calculated awareness. Positioned on either side of its triangular head, the eyes offer a panoramic view of the world. Nearly 270 degrees of uninterrupted vision. While it cannot move each eye independently like a chameleon, it can focus with uncanny precision on the slightest tremble in the grass or flicker of wings. To the garden lizard, stillness is survival. When predators like crows, mongo,